Assalamu alaikum, my dear parents and students. As we all know, holidays have already begun, and I wish you a holidays full of energy, full of life, full of productivity. And you do deserve a break after a series of long, tiring classes. So today I'll be sharing with you a couple of things which will make your holidays productive and which will make your holidays memorable. So children, it's very important to make your holidays fun. It's very important that you remember your holidays. It's important to enjoy it to the fullest. So for enjoying it to the fullest, you need to set goals for it, isn't it? Like when you go for some vacations, you plan it in prior. Where are you going to visit and what not, and where you're going to visit and all that. So similarly, you need to have some plan for your vacation so that you can enjoy it, because vacations no doubt are a memorable part of your childhood. So I'll be sharing some things with you hopefully which will help you to enjoy. The first thing is that children, you need to have a routine, a basic routine, the time at which you get up, time at which you'll sleep, your exercise time, your playing time, your helping time, and then your homework time. What happens is, if you do not have a time to, if you do not have a routine during vacations, whole day goes in sleeping, and you'll end up being very bored and feeling lazy. ठीक है, तो आपको क्या करना है? You have to just have a basic routine chart and stick it on your cupboard, on your shelf, wherever you find it most comfortable. Then the second thing is, it's very important to set goals. Set small goals for your vacations, not a big goal, small goals, per week goals. For week 1, you can set that you will memorize some surahs, 10-12 surahs. For week 2, you can set that you will learn a new sport. For week 3, you can set a goal that, yes, I'm going to learn to cook something. For week 4, you can keep a goal that I'm going to pay attention to my fitness. So likewise, you can learn the small. You can set some goals, so that way you'll be able to achieve something at the end of the holidays. फिर इसी तरीके से आप कुछ टेक्निकल स्किल्स सीख सकते हैं. आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि वी आर ग्रोइंग, वी ऑल आर growing at technical things rapidly. So we need to have some technical skills. Like, you can have some insight of how things work. PPTs क्या होती है? How does Microsoft Word? How do you make an email ID on Gmail? And all these things. The next thing is that you need to set aside some time for exercise. My dear children, exercise is very important, and since in this lockdown time, like we all are confined to the four walls of our house, it's very important for some fitness. Otherwise, we'll end up feeling very lethargic. So what you can do is, you can set some time aside. अगर आप घर के बाहर नहीं भी जा रहे हैं, बहुत सारी exercises घर में भी हो सकती हैं. Like, you can do yoga, then you can do meditation, then you can skip rope, isn't it? Then you can play badminton, then you can do some jogging, some running, some basic exercises. So these are some things which you need to have in practice. The next thing is for the parents, that parents need to understand that kids need to be very busy. बच्चों के अंदर बहुत एनर्जी है माशाल्लाह. अगर वो एनर्जी कंस्ट्रक्टिव कामों में नहीं यूज होगी तो वो डिस्ट्रक्टिव कामों में यूज होगी. सो वी नीड टू प्रोवाइड देम थिंग्स विद सो दैट दे कैन बी बिजी. बेसिक हम उन्हें क्राफ्ट का सामान प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. घर की कोई खराब चीजें हैं, जो वेस्ट चीजें हैं, हम उन्हें प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं ना. यू हैव टू मेक समथिंग यूजफुल आउट ऑफ दिस. Alright, so this is very important in order to engage them. Then some things to learn for students are calligraphy. Calligraphy is a very good thing. The students can learn Arabic calligraphy, English calligraphy, Hindi calligraphy, and there are ample of sources available on internet. Then and parents also need to appreciate whatever the child does. अगर बच्चा कैलीग्राफी कर रहा है तो हम उसे ड्राइंग रूम में लगाए ताकि he feels appreciated, he feels valuable. So this is one thing. Then one more thing is gardening. Children can learn gardening skills. Then if there are girls can learn something technical about the vehicles. Like generally girls do not have much interest in technical things. So they can use this time with their fathers, with their brothers, to learn about motor parts or things like this. So this is one thing. Then there are basic experiments which children can do at home without any much effort, and without much effort of the parents as well, just with little supervision. जैसे कि वो कैंडल एक्सपेरिमेंट हमने देखा है कि कैंडल नीड्स एयर टू बर्न, वो बच्चे कर सकते हैं पेरेंट्स की मौजूदगी में. और छोटे छोटे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स जो आपकी बुक में भी दिए हुए हैं वो पेरेंट्स के गाइडेंस में कर सकते हैं, ताकि वो अपने टाइम को एंजॉय भी करें एंड दे लर्न समथिंग ऑल्सो. देन देर आर सम वेरी गुड थिंग्स विच आर पजल्स. रूबिक्स क्यूब आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, दैट यू हैव टू जस्ट solve it, and you have to bring similar colors on each side, on one side. So Rubik's cube is a very good thing. Puzzles बहुत important है. पजल से क्या होता है, बच्चे की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एबिलिटी इंक्रीज होती है. सो चिल्ड्रन कैन हैव फिजिकल पजल्स अगर पॉसिबल है तो वेरी गुड. अगर इस सिनेरियो में फिजिकल नहीं पॉसिबल है, मार्केट नहीं जा सकते हैं, देन आपके एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ इंटरनेट पे, प्ले स्टोर पे गेम्स अवेलेबल हैं. मेज गेम्स होते हैं इन विच यू हैव टू टेल द वे दैट वन पर्सन हैज टू रीच फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर, एंड देर आर नंबर ऑफ वेज विच वे इज सुटेबल. So maze games. Then there are many puzzles which are very interesting. Brain teasers होते हैं. Brain teasers are very interesting. So this is it. And one very important thing is reading. Children need to have a reading habit. So what parents can do to encourage children to read is they can, or parents or children themselves can make a small reading tent in their houses. ठीक है, एक छोटा सा रीडिंग टेंट बना लेंगे घर के बेसिक सामान से. आप कुछ स्टिक्स लेंगे, कुछ वुडन स्टिक्स अरेंज करेंगे उसके ऊपर एक बेडशीट से, या इफ यू हैव सम नाइस सॉर्ट ऑफ कवर, तो आप उससे, इट्स अ सिंपल DIY थिंग, जिससे आप एक रीडिंग टेंट, या एक रीडिंग टेंट नहीं पॉसिबल है, रीडिंग कॉर्नर बना सकते हैं घर में. डेकोरेटेड, आप प्रॉपर उसको अच्छे रीडिंग के कोड से डेकोरेट करिए, थोड़ी सी लाइट्स पॉसिबल हो, जिससे बच्चा इंकरेज हो रीड करने के लिए. एंड मेक इट अ हैबिट दैट 5 minutes यू हैव टू स्पेंड हियर. तो 5 मिनट क्या होगा, यू जस्ट हैव टू रीड. इफ नॉट 5 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever time you're comfortable. You can read anything you want. You can read stories of the Sahabas. You can read some cartoonic stories, some mysterious stories, some fairy tales, whatever. But you need to have a reading habit. So this is one thing. And the last and very important thing is, this is the time when children are spending the most of the time with their parents. So they are learning life skills from their parents. They are learning how to respond to chaos. They are learning कि जब चारों तरफ मैस हो रहा है तो उस सिचुएशन में कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करना है. दे आर लर्निंग जब कोई बीमार है तो हमें क्या एफर्ट करना है, राइट. दे आर लर्निंग जब व्हेन there is lot of scarcity of resources, what can we do to help people we don't know. So they're learning life skills from parents. So parents need to model that right now. Also some basic life skills they can learn from parents in their day-to-day life is like, for example, milk comes in every house. Now the parent can ask the child to calculate. See, we get 1 liters of milk every day, and how much will I be supposed to pay to this milkman at the end of the month if 1 liter costs rupees this. So this is how हमने बच्चों ने जो पढ़ा है हम उसे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. And parents and children can have a good bonding, and they can learn something fruitful can come out of this holidays. So this is it. I would like to end my talk by saying, children, do what you love and love what you do. So I hope you have a holiday full of energy, full of productivity, full of fun, and full of good memories. Assalamu alaikum. Happy holidays.